Because when you're traveling warm and it's so...
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to...
Okay, so I am going to Australia this coming weekend. So I have to pack. I have to book the rest of my accommodation, book my transport within Australia, plan what I'm gonna do, what day. I already put into ChatGPT like that I want to do this, and yeah, I'm deciding between two luggage options. Okay, let me show you. Either this, which is the first one, because I only have 7 kg, so it's either that and then like a little bag, or this bag, or, and I'm gonna pause this because I have to get it down, another option. This is the other option. It's like a backpack and it's got like opening out. It's like a little kind of suitcase. I'm leaning towards this because then I only have to take one bag, and I only, as I said, I only have 7 kg. I'm flying on a budget airline and I don't know how strict they'll be. Like, I've flown on them before but not internationally, and I don't really want to pay extra fees, them being really like me about it. So I will come back when I've got stuff a bit more packed. I turn on the camera while I'm trying to pack. I can't think as well. So I have everything laid out here. I'm also contemplating taking my suitcase, but just my suitcase, not any other bags with it. Because, oh, the thought of just like carrying that bag around, while it kind of sounds fun, and not fun, but like, I think I'm idealizing it. Like, I'm like, oh, going backpacking, you know, but then the reality is I'm going to be at the airport and I have like one of my flights goes at like midnight pretty much. I'm not going to be wanting to carry around a big bag, you know, I'm just going to want to push something along. So yeah, even though it'll be fun to take the bag, I might not. We'll see. First, I am going to try and fit everything in there, because that will make me really condense the stuff I bring, and then I might put it into the suitcase. We'll see. Maybe it's counterintuitive, I don't know, but it's gonna work for me. Arrived and I'm tired but really happy to be here. Honestly, it's so nice and warm and it's so sunny. Like, look. So I'm literally on the beach right now in the Gold Coast, and I actually can't believe it. Like, it's the first time I've been here and it's so beautiful. The sands are so gorgeous. I have no idea if you can hear me, but I just had to record this because also look at this background. Okay, so I decided to do an e-bike instead because getting home is kind of expensive. I know it looks ridiculous, but it is what it is. And we're gonna see how it goes. I don't know if I'll be able to film any of it because it's kind of a bit precarious, but I'm literally right at the waterfront, as you can see. So yeah, I think it's like $3 or something instead of like an Uber, and it's kind of late and I didn't want to walk because where I'm staying is a bit, it's not sketch, it's just like down a long road and in the dark. Anyway, let's go. So it's nearly 6 AM here and it's so quiet. I'll show you. And I'm just gonna go for a sunrise swim. Look. the hostel's really cute, and yeah, I've just got my keys and let's go.